What's up, guys? Nick here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a 2017 Harley Davidson Street 500 with me today. Cool little bikes, good beginner bikes. It's got a 500cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected V-twin. It's also got the 6-speed transmission. This one's got the denim black paint. Real tough looking, everything's blacked out. Bike's in great condition. It's only got 1,500 miles. Some kind of mark back here on the rear fender. You can't buff the denim paint, so it's kind of just there. Got a good Michelin Commander 2 tire. Looks fairly new. I like the Street with the blacked out headlight cowl. Good Michelin on the front. Again, only 1,500 miles on those tires. 2017 model. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. So you got 1,524 miles. As you would imagine, the bike runs perfect. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options, take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.